Sikubingelele sikwamukele kuKhozi FM TV. Igama lami nguNeliswa Cele. Njengoba uzibonela ke silana singaphandle eGreyville Racecourse Hollywoodbets Durban July 2023 kusikwingqephu kujaha amahashi kwenziwa yonke into leyo sokuhalela ukuyibona siyakuthatha siyakubeka thina hlala nathi uzibonele zonke icuthana ezobe zikhona yonke into ezobe yenzeka thina sokulethela ngeplate njengoba sishilo ke Hollywoodbets Durban July ngimelana the big DJs zaseThekwini butwa uyaphila
ngiyaphila ngithi halala
asiswabe njani
Siyaphila, thank you.
Siyaphila naze nabahle othi ngiphume esombeni ngifuna abanithole kahle this fits nje wow Hollywood Durban July mhlambe unyaka wesibili lona sibuyile since iCovid nizizwa ninjani yikuphi ebenikulindele ukubona lana
it's nice to see ukuthi umhlaba usuya operate again abantu sebeqala bayaphuma thina seku entertainment ke bese silemele kakhulu ngoba siyahola ngalokuphuma kwalabantu so it's nice to see ukuthi yonke into iwela back to normal and nanokuthi kuhle kanjena ke nje neweather ivumile
iweather ivumile siswami uzizwa unjani ubona all the fashion was it lokho ade ukulindele
Yes, definitely out of this world. The people put a lot of effort and it's wonderful to see even local designers. So it is beautiful. Beautiful.
Yababona colleague bethu banjani guys Zanele Bogazi Kabule look at you wazomuhle njani namhlanje
Yabona asizilu kuzodlala shame
lalela kusazosuka bayithole kahle outfit yakho ngifisa ukuzwa Hollywoodbets Durban July 2023 ikupho kulindele ukupho jabulela ukuthi uzokubona
Ngijabulela kakhulu nje kokuqala mina njenge event organizer ukuthi iindustry yethu yaka events ibuyile sibuye ngeinkani kumnandi lana uyabona nje ukuthi akekho ngena umsebenzi waseThekwini kodwa futhi okwesibili namhlanje ngifundisela ukuzojabula angibheji angazi ukuthi adlalwa kanjani amahashi iJuly ngaqala ukuyihamba eSirothmans uyakhumbula ngaleya minyaka so but nje la kumnandi ukubona abantu bejabule Iyona into emnandi ukubona abantu indlela basuke bejabule ngayo ungathi ayikho into ebahluphayo bazokukhumbula kusasa kodwa nje namhlanje kumnandi kuba la
Ngixoxele ngeoutfit yakho uzithungele uyithengile uyihlanganise kanjani ubunani emqondweni wakho
Uyaba bathe out of this world and I wanted to wear bengifuna ukugqoka into engakaze ngiyigqoke bengifuna ukugqoka njengombala yabo lo mbala lo ngiyawusaba ubright kakhulu angivamile ukuthanda umbala obright kanje kodwa ngithe yazini mawuya kwiJuly awungabi uzanele lo normal awubi July ngiJuly ke namhlanje uyangibona nawe
Ngiyabonga kakhulu awusingisuke ke babone iJuly ukuthi injani So Butwami ikuphi owadulindele ukubona from the fashion industry nje kuwo wonke ama designers akhona lana namhlanje khona into expected
With fashion designing la sengibone ama fashion designer ayenza okuhle kakhulu because we are at par with the fashion around the world singazithathe kancane or kalula and into engiyithandayo ukuthi nale theme le it could be anything think I mean out of this world it could be anything it doesn't mean ukuthi be on the spaceship or ube yini and engiyithandayo kakhulu nokuthi ku-celebrate namasiko wethu and they take it up there unfortunately some of us we didn't do it but it's just as ngisho ngithi it can be anything fashion
Ngibonge kakhulu ngixoxele about outfit yakho umqondo behind it uthini
Okay outfit yam I couldn't find myself time to make an outfit I just opened my vault and then I even won this outfit from Paris from Kenzo and I thought let me open my fashion vault and just wear this Kenzo outfit
Kumnandi kuba ne vault ngizosuka ke khona soyibona kahle le outfit yakho Njengamanje ngime nobhutwami unkanyiso wakamakhaya buka nje use out of this world already kwehla igolide emahlombe uyaphila futhi
Ngiqeda ukulenda from out of this world
Listen ngiyakubona
Ngiyaphila da
So Durban July 2023 ikupho kulindele
Angazi ngilindeleni ngifuna ukubona nje ama outfits kodwa siyacela uSiliva bafethu siyabonga ngoSiliva bakuthi out of this world uSiliva nje asifuna ukubona uSiliva
Yini cabelo noSiliva yini le out of this world engahlangana noSiliva
Angazi abantu abaningi becabanga i-out of this world bacabanga ama-aliens and base becabanga oSiliva yeah akazi indaba
ngiyabazwela abantu abaqola uSiliva namhlanje ngixoxele ngeoutfit yakho
uMacBase yongenzelile ngithena ngimnike igunya lokuthi nje akhuleke enza afuna ukuyenza kodwa I stick to the theme and this is what he came up with
It's amazing. Right now, I'm standing with people who you can see are clearly out of this world. How are you guys?
We are very good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. What are your names?
I'm David Ngobeni.
And I'm Waminyaka.
Listen, I want you guys to tell me about your outfits. Clearly, they're out of this world. What is the thinking, the creativity behind it? Did someone make it for you? Just talk to me about them.
He is the designer under the name or the brand Davonch Designs. And the inspiration was the moon, the white moon, which means the creation and motherly. So that's the inspiration for this outfit.
Was this for both of you or was your inspiration different?
No, this was for both of us. When I designed this, I've designed it focusing on the white moon.
That is amazing. Did you guys enter, by the way, the competition for the fashion?
We did, but we came late, so we only entered as a couple and we weren't picked, unfortunately. But we wanted to enter for more categories next time, hey?
Yeah, next time. I'll move so that they can get a nice view of your fits. Ayekho umuntu ongevethanda ukuhlekisa njengalona. Ngime nobhuti wami uSizwe wakamdlalo. Sebhuti wami uyaphila?
Phila kakhulu ngoba uyibonela nje.
Lalela.
Yazi ngathi ngavele ngithini ngithi ngasho ngathi imali estokfela ingadlali kumina uyabona manje.
Ihlazi kwani lalela iphelele la phezulu.
Lalela ayidingi ukuthi iphithizele kakhulu mfethu. Ufuna uvela uthi cha mase uyibamba ngo black.
Iyona brief leyo ubuyinika umuntu owenza la.
Khanda nje inoSwakhanda inobukhosi.
Oh,
njengengubo.
Valley Wakanda is out of this world. Ayikho ngisho la emhlabeni. Xoxele Durban July this year ulindeleni.
Yo ngijabula kakhulu kuba khona. Ngifunda into ezintsha kunabantu abenza izinto ezinkulu awusomisi. Hey bafethu ungene wenza izimanga. So actually I'm happy nge-fashion yala eThekwini. I'm happy. And if enye into abantu bayazi ukuthi it's not about the fashion kuphela, it's about ukuzohlangana sihlanganisa ama deals senza izinqumo e-right in terms of imisebenzi esisebenzayo. Nabantu abatop. I think I'm one of
ngiyakubona
kanjani wena?
Hayi lalela usingihle bakubone kahle ukuthi umuntu otop kanjani ubashaya ngespin futhi. Ebese yathi hayibo awasha awuma umuntu nje ozithandalayo ukubuka iTV lobuso lobo angidingi ngisho ubu-introducer. Niyaphila?
Siyaphila sisinenjani?
Siyaphila siswami right?
Ngiyaphila sis, how are you?
Right naze nabahle angiqale lapha wena nje ngiyabona uvele nje out of this world. Outfit yakho ngixoxele ngayo umqondo behind it ubuthini?
Umqondo was, if you're out of this world, what's the quickest way out? I was like, to fly, but I didn't want to take wings, so I was rather I'll go for this one.
But yakhe outfit ke out of this world ngilandisa.
No, being supporter out of this world. So when she flies, I'm there with her.
Oh, injalo nje. Hollywoodbets Durban July year 2023 nilindeleni kuyona?
Kakhulu kuba inqephu. Nokubona nje abantu, it's a good time to network. Yeah.
Yourself Siswami?
Of course, I'm a horses also winner. That's also one of the things, but mostly I'm outfits. South African designers, local designers to see the talent that we have. So yeah, and food and good music.
Nginawe ke lapho. Funa ukuhlehla abanibone kahle ngiboke kakhulu. Bathi ubona nje ama outfits enu. Njengamanje ngime no DJ uStock. Hey, ayabona nje ready. Born ready putha uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Ngikhona. Tell me July 2023 kupho kulindele?
Ngilindele ukubona nje into ezinhle kuphela njengoba iCovid isihlukumezile, so cishe yasimoshela nje into enhle kanje, but last year bekumnandi kakhulu. Hope this year kuzoba mnandi kakhulu, especially namhlanje.
I'm very sure kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. Ngixoxele nge-outfit yakho nje ubukeka ucool and collected.
Outfit ngifuna ukuthi nje ngibe casual, ngingabi too formal kakhulu, and ngibe bright ngizokwazi ukuthi kubonakale ukuthi nangu Superman sekafikile.
And ufike ngempela uthi ngihlehle khona bezobona kahle lo Superman. Njengamanje kuyintokozo enkulu ngapha ngime no Sean Stylist ngapha uMr Jazzy Q. Ngiyababona nje Nkosi yami ba out of this world. Ngiqale ngapha but I'm right.
Yaphila ninjani abalaleli beKhozi FM? Oh, viewers of Khozi FM.
Exactly. Sekwama viewers but I'm right.
Ngiyaphila mani naninjani ekhaya?
Sikhona. Ngifuna uqala ngawe uyi-stylist indawo ye-fashion lena ikuphi okulindele ukukubona?
I think you're introducing me wrong. That was 2017 when I was still a stylist. I'm a DJ, I'm a producer, I'm a philanthropist, I'm a husband, I'm a father to Mason. You mean not only ingane yomfana this year, everybody else who got a baby, it's a baby girl.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and I'm releasing my EP. I signed under Warner, the first amapiano artist to sign with an international record company. Abo Jessic banowabo ke bona ama-company.
Puthabi kuphi okulindele ku-July this year?
I mean, July ihlele nama surprises amaningi, and I'm very glad that we are here today to also celebrate after like such a long time. COVID is affected and all of that, but we're here today to celebrate. Yabona no bhuti wami naye muhle uJesus mara asikho lapho.
Ngiyazi indaba. Ngixoxeleni ngama-outfits angeke ngiqale ngeyakho.
I decided to be pure. Last year I came in shorts, they were shocked. They were Amiri shorts. So ngathi this year awuthi ngilethe uJesu because mumhlaba uphuma igazi.
Ngiyayithanda leyo Puthabi ngeke ngize kuwe.
Yeah, well, I mean, outfit yami inspire Al Pacino on in the movie there. Yeah. It's a drug mafia kind of look that I was inspired.
All right, ngifuna
He's
ukusuka.
trying to tell us he's taking drugs,
Angimazi.
but it's musical drugs.
It better be. Awuthi ngihlehle ngifuna bethole ama-outfits enu kahle from head to toe. Usiboneleke sibonge kakhulu ukuthi uhlale nathi lana kwi-Hollywoodbets Durban July ya 2023. Nakanjani asiphinde sihlangane kezayo. Asazi ukuthi ithimi yobe ithini. Mhlawumbe ke kuzoba u-In This World asazi. Igama lami nguNeliswa Cele. Sale kahle.